So, Dad, I want guaranteed $30, $10 now.
Mom said she'd eat a little piece of it.
I need a jalapeno.
I want $10.
I need some milk
right now.
I have a strong feeling I'm going to be sorry.
I think she's psyching herself up. So.
It's not that bad.
We're not making you do it. This is your decision. Oh,
that
she's
was
gonna
a candy bite.
See, it doesn't taste good, does it?
You might as well do the rest.
I'm mocking you.
It didn't seem like it was that bad for you.
It's not that bad.
Give it a minute. Or 10 seconds.
I think I ate a little bit more than Mom did.
Whoo! Definitely don't want to touch my face. Don't people do this for fun? Like,
There's this guy on YouTube.
Are you videoing? You're videoing everything?
Your eyes are watering.
There's this guy on YouTube Shorts who ate like 12 of them with no reaction. Mom's eyes are red.
Oh my gosh, your eyes are watering.
burns just a little.
Oh, just a little. And your mom, you ate a little. Look at me. You ate a piece of milk that big.
Stop.
You know, Mom did it. You can do the whole thing because I've seen you eat hotter stuff.
I know.
You're such a wimp. Like,
My mouth just keeps
if you
watering.
ate the whole chip, it'd probably be worse than hot sauce.
Probably. But as soon as I touched the hot sauce with my tongue, it was like instant pain.
Mm-hmm.
Did it taste bad?
Oh yeah, it tasted horrible.
Like wherever the chip landed, that I feel like there's a permanent
Disgusting taste.
burn mark in my mouth.
Yeah.
That
You got branded in the back of your throat by a chip.
It's pretty hot, huh?
Carson, you want to try it?
Here, DIY Jim. You get on camera and try this.
Yeah, Dad. Your
No
wife
way.
tried it.
That would be something people would watch because people watch the channel for you, don't they?
I said I wasn't again.
Yeah, Dad.
I don't even like hot wings.
Mom, it's paper.
It's paper.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to
Wipe it
scrape
off
it
my
off.
face.
What the heck?
I feel like I'm like
Now you
can't
gotta
stop
do it.
salivating.
Ubi in 3.
Feisty.
It's okay, Mom.
Yeah, Spencer.
That's what it felt like when I went through a gas chamber.
This is worse, definitely.
No.
Can I brag to my friends
You
now
never
that you went through a gas
chamber.
chamber and you lived? Unlike a lot of unlucky people we're learning about.
Alright, I'm turning
You learned
this
it
off.
off.
I
Wait,
guess-
some people died for that?
A gas chamber?
Yeah.
No, the army.
No.
Army has to go.
I already posted it. It sucks.
Bro, I wonder how many people are gonna text me after this. Oh boy.
It's a pretty big chip. You might have to like
You
split
can't
it.
take
Ew,
it.
that is just, yeah, I'm gonna
So are you gonna eat it?
stack it on top of each other so it's easier to eat.
In 3, 2.
Spencer.
Just do it. I did it. If your mom can do it, so can you.
Mom, you ate like
Well, more than
1/100th of what I'm eating.
No, yeah, I'm gonna eat that.
He's gonna finish that.
Dude,
Here, I'll eat at the same time as you.
How did you go through that pain again?
Because it's fun.
I have never heard that before.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Right now.
Oh my gosh, you're an idiot. Why?
Dude.
Come on, Spence. Do it.
This is so stupid. This is so stupid.
Mikey, go.
Don't think about it. Just do it. 3.
Oh, frick. Oh. That's gonna be bad.
Oh,
Where you going? Don't move.
No. Sit
down and eat
Drink
it.
some milk.
Chew it. Chew.
Mikey,
Just
you
don't
want milk?
touch your face.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Don't spill the milk.
wow. This is so bad.
Mikey, here.
This is so disgusting.
Take the milk.
It's burning like the back of my
Wait,
throat.
you are like bluer than blue.
You alright?
Here.
Oh, I bet.
Spencer, here.
You ate that whole freaking thing.
Spencer's gonna turn all sorts of shades of red. But please don't spill that milk.
You dying?
Stick your tongue out.
Here, there's the trash can. Oh, it's time if you're gonna puke.
My
Where are you going? Drink some of that milk.
What? You only lasted a few seconds without drinking milk? Come on.
There's no milk in there.
Here, put it down.
You sit still.
It freaking hurts.
Sit down.
Oh, you're good. So you can talk.
You alright, Mikey?
Spencer's down.
All right, Carson, you gotta lick one of them chips.
Come on, Carson.
Did you lick it?
Are you gonna do it?
You just gotta lick that.
Do it.
Are you okay, Mikey?
Oh, she's eating it.
Carson put a tiny piece in her mouth.
Spencer's out there like gonna lose it.
I think she's lying to me.
My kid's dying.
Are you alright, Spence?
No.
Maybe jump in the pool, that'll help you.
Yeah, that
This
pool.
freaking hurts.
That pool cool you down.
He's dying.
Go in the pool.
You want a piece of ice?
I don't know how that's gonna help.
It actually helps if you just let it sit in your mouth.
Spence, your face is all red.
And it makes your tongue like...
Let me see your
You didn't
tongue.
stutter all the way.
Let me see your tongue. Look.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Let me see your tongue.
That's my table.
Let me see.
Spencer's tongue, look at me.
Oh, freaking hurts.
Spence, look at me.
Oh.
My tongue's probably not even blue.
Oh, it's actually a little blue.
See? He's doing the same thing I did.
Who might be?
Why is he running back and forth?
I don't know.
He's dying now too.
I need a small piece of ice.
Was that Spencer's? No?
We'll see you do it, James.
Heck no, I ain't touching that thing. You're crazy. All right. Thanks for watching.